Now here we have the Atomizer Fury, which is going to be just a little bit different. You're going to want to take the injector and put it in this way. Make sure that the terminal does not twist. Give it a good snug. And you're going to take the supplied 14-15 millimeter wrench, use the 15 millimeter side, and unscrew. And just like with the Atomizer 3, when you take it apart, that spring is under tension. So you're going to want to carefully take it apart. Then we're going to use the supplied coil bottom O-rings, which are labeled just like the Atomizer 3. You'll place it in the correct slot. You're going to take the supplied spring, inside. You're going to drop it in the inlet. Use a dab of Loctite, and again, you want the pintle to go in first and make sure it's over top of the spring. You're going to want to twist it back together, back inside. Make sure you tighten it down, and then you give it a good snug. This kit also comes with your supplied top O-rings. Both sets. The Furies come with their own supplied top and bottom O-rings. The Atomizer 3 are their own top and bottom O-rings. These are top, and then you have supplied bottom O-rings. Just pop them on. And then you have your filters. So just take the supplied filter like this, and you take a rubber hammer. This is just for show and tell, and just tap it in until it's flush. The Atomizer Fury comes with the same thing, except they're a little bit bigger. As with the Atomizer 3, just goes in top, and just tap it in until it's flush. And there you have it. An Atomizer 3 and Atomizer Fury maintenance kit.